So we are going to start the low frequency parameter ABCD and hybrid parameters. We have to keep this in mind that ABCD hybrid parameters, they are all low frequency parameters. They are not suitable for high frequencies. So let us see the first one, ABCD parameter. Now this parameter is defined as in this form, V1 equal to AV2 minus B of I2. Actually the point is minus of I2 is put here because this is because actually current entering the circuit, entering the port is considered as positive. So here we are putting minus because we are considering I2 in the outward direction. So it is negative. That is why we have to put one negative sign. So it is AV2 minus B of I2. Similarly I1 is C of V2 plus D, and we put minus of I2. So it is CV2 minus D of I2. So how to find out these ABCD parameters? If we give input voltage source V1 to port 1 and output port V2 open circuited, then V2 will become 0. And when V2 becomes 0, this becomes 0, we can find out B and D. Okay, I'm sorry, if output port is open circuited, V2 is not 0, I2 is 0. Current doesn't flow because it is open circuited. So if I2 becomes 0, this I2 is 0. Then what will happen? We can find A and C. So A is V1 by V2 as shown here. A is V1 by V2. Similarly, we can find C. C is nothing but I1 by V2, and accordingly we can fix unit. A is ratio of voltage, so it has no dimension. C is current by voltage, so it is mho or ohm inverse. So like this A and C can be found out. Similarly, we can find out the BD parameter by doing output port short circuit. When we are doing output port short circuit, V2 is becoming 0, and when V2 becomes 0, you can see from here, V2 becoming 0 means we can find B and D, because B is nothing but V1 by I2. So that is told here, minus of V1 by I2 and D minus I1 by I2. So in this way ABCD parameters we can obtain, and that is how it is defined. A we define as reverse voltage transfer ratio, B is reverse transfer impedance, C is reverse transfer admittance, and D is reverse current transfer, depending upon how we are doing it. So similarly we have another parameter which is called hybrid parameter or H parameter. It is defined as V1 equals to H11 I1 plus H12 V2 and I2 H21 I1 plus H22 V2, and that is how these four parameters are defined. H11 is input impedance. Now how this definition is coming, that depends on how we obtain. So suppose what we do is, input port we excite with voltage source V1 and output port we do short circuit. So short circuit means V2 will be 0. So when V2 becomes 0, if you see this V2, so V2 when it becomes 0, we can find out H11 and H21. H11 as V1 by I1 and H21 as I2 by I1. So like this we can find out. Similarly, we have to give excitation at port 2 and measure and do open circuit to input port. This input terminal is open circuited. So I1 is 0, and when I1 becomes 0, I1 is 0, so H12 and H22 we can find out. This is 0, So H12 is V1 by V2 and H22 is I2 by V2. Like this we can find out. So one thing is, what we have learned from here is that for these low frequency parameters, whether it is ABCD or hybrid parameters, or it is Z parameter or admittance parameter, we can obtain these parameters by doing open circuit or short circuit at the input port or at the output port. That is the process for finding the parameters. So now comes the question whether at high frequency is it possible to do this open circuit or short circuit. Another thing is, we have found out the ratio of voltage and current, whether at high frequency these voltage and current can be measured or not. That is the question which we will see in next class.